Hey guys, welcome to episode 52. On today's episode, we are going to take a look at how to change out and maintenance the top roller on your NP10 Skiving machine. So let's take a look.
So the NP10 comes with 3 top rollers. They are the straight, the radius, and the knurled. To begin changing out the top roller, take a quick look at the pivoting bracket and notice how it is attached to the straight roller. Remove the end screw and then take off the top roller adjustment knob. The top roller will now easily slide off the center shaft. Notice the height difference in the 3 top rollers. We will need to make an easy adjustment to the machine if you use a roller besides the factory set straight roller. When putting on a new roller, you need to add some grease to the roller gears before attaching it to the machine. Give the center shaft a few drops of oil and then slide the roller into place. Now you can see and notice how the shaft sticks out just a little bit too far. This will cause the roller to rock back and forth and the machine needs a minor adjustment. Before making any changes, notice the position of the pivoting bracket when using the radius or knurled roller. It's reversed for fluid movement of the roller. To make the top roller shaft adjustment, there is a 2.5 millimeter Allen screw on the side. Loosen that up and you'll be able to push the shaft in to make it flush with the pivoting bracket. Now tighten the Allen screw back into place and attach the end screw. That's all there is to changing out your top roller. Now let's go over if you want to switch back to the straight roller, which is longer, and you need to readjust the center shaft. Put the straight top roller back into place and loosen up the Allen screw. Then in the back of the block, push the center shaft out. Now the top roller adjustment knob and pivoting bracket can attach to the center shaft, and make sure you push it in to make it flush for the end screw. Tighten down that Allen screw and then attach the end screw. There you have it. This is how to replace the top roller on the NP10 Skiving machine.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.